Good morning, respected sister and my dear batchmates. Myself Salini Pandey from BSc second year. I am here to give my second presentation of CET under the guidance of Sister Jolly. So before starting my presentation, I am going to give some clue related to my topic. Like here you can see that he is an examiner and he is asking question orally from her. So which type of examination he is conducting? Yes, he is conducting Viva and my topic is Viva Voce. Now we'll see the introduction of Viva Voce. First point. Viva Voce is a type of oral examination which consists of dialogue between the examiner and students, where the examiner asks question and student replies. For example, we all have given Viva during our model exam in first year. Like that, examiner asks question orally from the student and student has to reply. Second point, the examiner may ask short open question. Short open question means the question that cannot be answered in yes or no form. Multiple choice question or a series of other type of questions. Third point, in nursing, Viva Voce is generally used to supplement the practical examination where two examiners, that is internal and external, ask several questions related to particular subject matter. Yes, in nursing we all have to give practical examination and after that we have to give Viva related to that particular topic. Now we'll see the definition of Viva Voce. Viva voce is a Latin phrase literally meaning with living ghost, but most often translated as by word of mouth. Yes, Viva voce is a type of oral examination in which examiner asks question orally and student has to reply. What are the purposes of Viva voce? First point, to assess the student's ability to communicate with another person. Yes, by taking Viva, examiner understand what are the strong point of the student and what are the weak point of the student. Second point, to supplement the information obtained through other evaluation technique. To use stimulation method like role play and telephone conversation. Yes, it acts as stimulus who is performing role play and telephone conversation. Third point, it identify and analyze students' presence of mind. Yes, by taking Viva, examiner understand whether the student is attentive or not. Fourth point, to diagnose the student limitation and weakness and take remedial action. Yes, by taking Viva, examiner understand what are the weak point of the student and by this he give advice that how he has to study to get good mark in his study. Now we'll see the principle of Viva voce. First point, the Viva should not be limited to a single topic but should cover a range of different issues. Viva should not be limited to a single topic because if there is only single topic, the repetition of question may be occur. Second point, do not use long preamble to question because if there is long question, student get confused in long question. Fourth point, when the last question is asked, allow the student to complete his or her answer. Fifth point, the Viva voce examination should not normally exceed 30 minutes. The time duration of Viva should be 30 minutes. In Viva, the candidates are examined individually. Now what are the advantages of Viva voce? First point, provide direct contact with the candidates to assess their communication presentation skill. Means the communication take place face to assess their ability. Second point, provide opportunity to mitigate circumstances into accounts. In Viva, so much questions are not asked, only small or short type of questions are asked in Viva. Third point, provide flexibility in moving the candidates from strong to weak point. By taking Viva, examiner understand what are the strong point or what is the weak point of the student. Fourth point, facilitate simultaneous assessment by two or more examiner. Yes, Viva is taken by two or more examiner. Like in interview, more than two people are present for taking Viva. Fifth point, provides an opportunity for the examiner to get feedback on the performance of the student. Yes, by taking Viva, examiner can understand what are the weak point of the student and give feedback to the student. Now we'll see the disadvantage of Viva voce. First point, lack standardization, objectivity and reproducibility of the result. Means sometimes teachers do not behave the same way. Things like prejudices can also happen in Viva. Second point, permit favoritism and cannot be used for future references. Yes, some teacher have their favorite student, so they can give nice mark in comparison to other student, whether they perform good or not. Third point, costly in term of professional time. Yes, it takes so much time for taking Viva. It's very much time consuming process. Till now we have studied about the introduction of Viva Voce, in which we have seen that Viva Voce is a type of oral examination in which examiner asks question and student replies. Then the definition of Viva Voce, purpose of Viva Voce, principles of Viva Voce, advantage and disadvantage of Viva Voce. Assignment for you all is all the students are expected to use the skill of Viva Voce in their teaching practice. Thank you sister, thank you my dear batchmates. I hope my presentation is understandable to all.